Hey guys, what is up? Come out to show you the final product. Are you ready? Let me get on the other side of it here. Alright. The hatch is up. What do you think? Final product. It's a little redder than the car, but actually it matches perfect. It's just on camera it looks redder. See? It's about the same. What do you guys think, man? Does it look badass? See, and when you shut the tailgate here, you're only seeing R. So it's whatever. But I didn't put no nails in there so I could take the top off anytime. Shot a couple nails in it. So does it look good? I'm thinking it looks pretty bad. So I don't know, at least it looks like something on the back here, and it bums me out right here that I just now noticed I have two bulging spots there. Fuck. But it's whatever, man. This box is built like a brick shit house. When there's no fucking way I could put a third sub on this bitch. So there you have it, guys. I am just giving the final little show here. Totally blown away with it. I love it. You know, if I have it down at a show or I'm outside or something, at least it looks professional now. So, alright, man. Just wanted to give you the final kit and caboodle on it. So, and the more and more I listen to these subs and they break in, they just sound so good, man. I love them. They do get stinky. You know, I don't know if it's... I can tell the coils are getting hot on them. I'll touch them and they're hot to touch. So I know I'm pushing them pretty fucking hard. I don't know if they should get... I mean, I give them breaks. They cool down real quick. But, I don't know, man, if that's normal or not. But I'm going to divert some of the power over to, with my voltage, 12 volts. I'm going to divert some of that power over to the band hammer. I'm going to put that in the back over the summer. So, alright guys, I'm going to go to bed. Tomorrow when I get off work, I get started on the throttle body there. Get this bad dog in. Alright, man. Put this pain away. Peace.